Ndewo n'ụmụaka. Nnọọnụ. Welcome back to another fun spotlight from Nchikota Aha Ụmụanụmanụ Igbo. Are you ready to learn the Igbo word for a big animal that loves the river? Today's animal is crocodile. In Igbo, we say Agụ Iyi. Say it with me. Agụ Iyi. Again. Agụ Iyi. Good job. Do you know Agụ Iyi lives in rivers, lakes, and swamps? And it has very strong jaws. It can hold its breath underwater for a very long time, and it swims like a pro. But guess what? Even with all that strength, Agụ Iyi still hides quietly to sneak up on its food. Sneaky, right? Think of Agụ Iyi like that one quiet kid in class who surprises everyone with hidden talents, like being the best swimmer. Calm on the outside, very powerful on the inside. That's our crocodile friend. Say it with me again. Agụ Iyi. Again. Agụ Iyi. Fantastic. Clap for yourselves. Now, let's try a sentence. Agụ Iyi bi na mmiri, which means the crocodile lives in the water. And that's it for today's spotlight. We just learned the Igbo word for crocodile. Agụ Iyi. Keep practicing at home. And don't forget, let's keep learning Igbo, one animal at a time. Until next time, ụmụaka, ka ọ dị na. Bye!